So we got the guest bathroom over here. As you can see, you have their, interesting colors. You have the tub, you have the standing shower. Alright, let's go and show you the master bedroom. Alright, once you get through here, you kind of have your little home office. You can see, you can store like a bunch of folders, whatever you might need. We have this new wireless speaker, which is wireless as it gets. You can see once you move these things around, it's pretty neat. You have some, papers, whatever you might need. Interesting fact of this house is, there used to be a floor outlet, it's gone now, never mind. So, you have a fireplace in your bedroom, for whatever reason. You can see the whole bed. You have a little of a closet area. Let's go to the bathroom. Alright y'all, so this is the bathroom. So you can see we have this tiny bathroom. So you have your, if you know what this is, you know what it is. You have a toilet that says, it's a model home, don't use the toilet. We cut that out. It's our home. We live here. Alright, so let's go to the actual bathroom. So once you go through here, you can see this is what you call a fucking bathroom. So you have your tub, which is in the middle of the room, cause, why wouldn't you do it? And over here you have a bunch of little bags. Are you not filming anymore? Bunch of random bags.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything.
And then you have like a little room over there. You have a sauna. What you got on the floor over there? So you got a freaking glass window so you look in the basement.
So, look at that big floor.
So this is the kitchen. Why is everything empty and fake in here? So that's basically downstairs. And you come in, you have this super oversized, whatever you call it. And then you walk over here, like the wardrobe. Who does? Yo, what the hell? Clothes. So you got your girlfriend visiting, like freaking a closet for shoes. Let's go down. What the fuck is this? So what do you think about the basement?
Too empty for me. Come on.
Let me in! So, sounds like the wine storage.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.